Magandang buhay sa lahat. Enrique Hill spotted in Nightmares Manila. Samantala, Liza Soberano, new update. I love being a Gucci girl. 2 minutes pa lang, nag-update ang dalaga. Pero ang bilis makariyak, ang kanyang king. Napaka-supportive talaga, si Kay nito, sa kanyang Hopi. Panoorin pa natin guys, ang iba't iba pang ganap, ni Liza Soberano. Sa Bangkok, Thailand, with Gucci, XL Official.
All the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones.